These are for sale. If anyone wants some Nitto Neogens, some clapped out Nitto Neogens that are to the cord on 2 tires, but the other 2 are good. Hit me up for these seats too. Honestly, you can have the seats for free if you come get them. Hit me up. I'm putting you on the spot. What's going on?
It's hot as fuck in here. That's what's going on.
In the Beamer, bro. What happened to this?
It's somewhere.
It's somewhere. Everything's always somewhere. Got a little shift knob here, I see.
My friend bought that for his Impala, an automatic.
An auto?
It clearly didn't work.
Well.
I literally hate this.
What the fuck? Like it's a stick though.
Yeah.
The Beamer's a stick.
It was so close.
Holy shit. Alright, got the Durango, got the Honda Shit Vic, got the Impala. Dude, the interior's clean in this thing. I don't give a fuck.
Dude, it is. Like,
it's actually not that bad. Dude, that's mint.
Dude,
that's so mint. What?
I wish it worked,
That's so
dude.
mint. What do you mean? What do you mean it doesn't work?
Dude, it's cranked. Nothing's coming out.
Oh, that's so fun.
What is this? Dude, do you know how badly I want to buy one of those for the Civic? A flip-up one? They're like $500 bucks,
That's so crazy. You can't just swap that in there? I mean, I guess if it doesn't work. Damn, dude, that mirror's a little goofy. Damn, no, the AC doesn't work, does it?
No.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get the window clear.
Oh, shit. Dude, okay, power windows, got the heated seats, no trim, it's fucking mint.
Drift car.
It's not even missing, is it? I can't even tell.
Not yet.
Not yet. Bro, I'm actually so fucking baffled. This interior is clean as fuck.
I'm actually heated that it's foggy.
Well, I mean, honestly though, that's a seller for me. That's
what?
The coolest, the fucking radio that pops out. Like that, I did not expect that shit to happen. Okay, so define blown suspension. Like, what's blown about the suspension?
I really have no clue. That's just what the dude said when I bought it.
Well, the dude is probably a bitch, and
the dude's I think a little bit of a duff.
Oh shit, dude, the interior light. Well, one of them works.
That was weak.
It's fucking mint.
Oh, it's missing hard. Oh no.
Oh. Alright, I'm not sure if it's gonna do it because it's kind of dried up a little bit, but hey.
Nah, dude, we mobbing.
It's all good.
It's okay, we're in Mexico.
We're in Mexico, yeah. Oh shit.
Whoa. Dude, beef is trash bags. That is mint. That is mint.
Alright, I'm gonna start it in the rain right here.
Dude, you're slapping limiter.
That's so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Holy shit.
That was awesome.
This thing fucking. Oh.
Oh my god.
Dude. Look at how low it is on. Oh my god. No, they were on the cords though.
Oh my god.
Holy, I can't believe I just did that shit.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's better than happening on the highway though.
That's true.
Dude, that's so funny.
So what'd you do here?
So, kind of blew the passenger side tire. Do you wanna, how should we do this?
Dude, I was just gonna say you could pull into that driveway over there.
Oh yeah, right there.
Or, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oof. Okay. I mean, that's flexible for a reason.
Exactly. No, not the strut. I'm retarded and might have actually left the shit at home. Do you have a lug wrench?
Yeah, I have a 4-way. Acquired the 4-way. In the middle of the car, just snap in half. Yep.
I fucking torqued it down with a Ugga Dugga.
Ooh, how many Ugga Duggas?
Like 3 Ugga Duggas. These lugs are hot as fuck. Also, why are there mosquitoes out in the rain, bro?
Mosquitoes live in the rain, bro.
Ah.
Dude, you wanna know what's plugged though?
What?
I only have to unloosen 4.
Oh, that's facts, bro. That 4x100 life.
Sometimes 3.
Dude, this jack, I'm sorry, but it's shit.
It is. Like, it's awful.
It's not even doing anything.
You gotta go in all the way up and all the way down.
That's enough.
Is it?
Oh, look at the tires. Just,
I don't think it's enough.
Like, dude,
It literally ate on a banana.
it's queefing like a fucking high school
It's
girl.
not high. It's not high enough. You have to keep going.
Are you serious? Just ratchet shit.
Just.
Ow.
You're kicking like you mean it.
Oh. Oh, dude, that's it. Dude, you're the plug.
I don't know how that works, but.
And there's cords in the back, you don't want to fucking. Ooh.
Oi!
Oh boy!
No, oh no, dude, you're good.
Dude,
There's a
Should I-
mosquito on me.
just flip the wheels around.
Yes. Dude, you're fine.
Dude, I should just flip them around.
You should.
Alright, I'm thinking, just bolt
Oh
it
my
up like
goodness.
this.
Dude, you're not actually going
No,
to.
I'm not going to, but like.
Dude, that's good.
Exactly.
Ugga dugga them hoes.
Ugga dugga them hoes. Or I'll just Ugga dugga them on the ground.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Dude, if I give a fuck, like. What brand is this? Because I'm never buying a jack.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not
eBay?
even. It's not. I mean, maybe. It might be. It actually might be Harbor Freight.
Dude, Harbor Freight, like, Harbor Freight is like,
It might
would
be
be so
Harbor.
cheap for eBay.
No,
Harbor
dude.
Freight is like in the middle of Wish and eBay.
Not even.
Dude, that's mint.
There you go, Mint. Now just let me put my head under there before you load it. You can never have enough footage. So.
Basically, that's an Ugga Dugga,
Yep.
and it's mint.
Send it.
Send
You gonna
it.
just send it without it?
Literally. Let's see if it comes. Dude, it's mint.
Perfect.
It's fucking mint.
That was perfect.
What did that take? Like literally less than 15 minutes. Oh, you're the plug. Just throw that shit in there. Hell yeah, dude. I'm not even mad. What can I be mad about? My reverse gear is literally booty.
Sounds great.
Gasper, what the hell you doing?
I just had to do it on my own shit. I just had to do it on some cold shit.